Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in permutations and combinations. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, three in how many ways? Three integers can be selected from a set 1 to 37 such that the sum of the three integers is odd number. Friends, 1 to 37 means there will be 19 odd numbers and 18 even numbers. Friends, now we have to select three integers such that the sum is odd number. Friends, sum odd number means there will be two cases. The first case is all the three integers must be odd. Odd plus odd is equal to odd. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. That is an example. That is first case. All the three integers must be odd. In how many ways three integers can be selected from 19 odd integers? That is possible in 19C3. In 19C3 ways, this is first case. And coming to second case, one odd number and two even numbers. One odd number plus two even numbers. Sum of two even numbers is even. Odd plus even is equal to odd. So, second possibility is selecting one odd number and two even numbers. That is possible in 19C1, one odd number and two even numbers. That is 18C2. Sum of these two is the required answer. Friends, 19C3 is equal to 19 into 18 into 17 by 3 factorial, that is 6. 6 threes. Friends, 19 threes 57 into 17. 17 sevens 119. 17 fives 85 plus 11 96. This is case 1. And coming to case 2. 19C1 means 19 into 18C2. 18 into 17 by 2 factorial 2 nines. That is equal to, friends, 99s 171 into 17. 17 ones 17. 17 is 289 plus 1 290. So sum of these two 6 7 8 3. 3876 ways. In 3876 ways we can select three integers whose sum is odd. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.